Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to uninstall Skout application on Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your settings application. Now scroll down and find apps. Once you find it, tap on it. Now using the search icon, type Skout. Tap on Skout. Tap on Uninstall on the bottom row. Now if you are sure, then finally tap on OK. And that is how you can easily uninstall Skout application on Android. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.